Hello everyone, Michael Lee here from BDRY for you. Today I'm bringing you the Huawei Smart Glasses 3. This is Huawei Eyewear 3, which is the new smart glasses. Okay, this is the clip onto it. Okay, and this is the box of the Huawei Eyewear 3. Okay, this is the original box, if you can see. Yep. So I'm going to do the unboxing here. So let's remove the box, okay, to see what is inside. So once you open, you get the glasses. It's a gorgeous pair of glasses, wonderful. I chose this model because it's more suitable for my face size. They have a lot of different sizes, different type of designs, spectacle. You can check on their website. Okay, let's see what is inside. So once you open it, so you get the I think this is a kind of discount coupon, the guides, okay, the charging cables. Okay, so that's all in the box itself. So how does this glasses works? It's actually connected to Bluetooth to an app, and from there you can control your Google Assistant, Siri. In fact, you can also listen to music, answer calls. So quite a lot of things that these Huawei glasses can do. So you can see here Huawei on both sides. Yeah, so that's all, folks. I'll test out the glasses. Need to get a prescription for this. So once I get the prescription lens, I'll wear it for a few days. I'll give another review of how these glasses will perform. That's all for now. Thank you, everyone.